Hey guys, what is up? This is Sid. Welcome back to my digital nomad channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can convert every single click into $21. If you want to know the secret where to get this offer and where to promote, then watch this video till end to make this moolah. In today's video, we are talking on Offerworld.com. Right off the bat, you're going to see the entire navigation panel of Offerworld, but before we dip our feet into the area, let's find out what is Offerworld is all about. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website, and you can see Offerworld is the internet's best source for affiliates to find affiliate offers, connect with affiliate networks, and verify their reputation. So it is a platform dedicated for users who seek to make use of affiliate marketing to forge and fortify stronger connections with others across the globe. They are founded in 2009, so they have absolutely made a sturdy foundation as to how their operations go on. With that said, you certainly have nothing to worry about the platform's overall integrity and legitimacy. They can surely be trusted as proven by thousands of people from all over the planet. So what are you going to do here on Offerworld? That's an interesting question. As you can see here on the home page, you can find all these astonishing offers that you can pursue. If you wish to make tons of money quickly, your main job is to promote all these offers using your unique affiliate links and simply invite as many people as you can to click on your links, and that's it. It's always best to widen your coverage, so be sure to extend until the outermost part of your social circle. Never be too shy to reach out to anyone you know, such as family, friends, colleagues, workmates, old classmates, or maybe even some acquaintances. But if you feel like your own social circle may be lacking, then there is a little secret that I want to share with you. I'm not going to reveal it right now, but just hang on. Find out how you can further reach out more people and even strangers on the World Wide Web. So you are going to find out all about it later on, so stay with me until the very end. For now, I want you to browse through the page and look for offers that capture your attention. You can do that now, but it's gonna take some time. So I strongly suggest that you just use the search bar and look for the offers related to gift cards. On the search bar right here on the main page, I want you to type in gift cards and then click on the search button. Once you do that, you will find yourself being redirected to this page where all the results are presented related to your search keywords. Since you are looking for gift cards, here are the Offerworld's most prominent offers related to that. Feel free to go through each of the offers, and you can also see how much money you are going to make on this payout column right here. You can also view the name of the offer, the country, the network that it belongs to. These may be the key factors for you to determine what offer may be the best for you. I also recommend that you must pursue offers that are easy to market so that you will have a massive audience that you can target these offers to. When you do that, everything will come into the place. Let's choose this one, which is called as Netflix sign up with a payout of $21. This offer is set in US, but there are also tons of other offers available to any country. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now that you have an offer on the end, the next thing you have to do is market the offer. This is a time for you to share your link to everyone that you know and invite them to participate. However, there is one trick that you can do if you wish to get more people and in turn increase your earnings by a long shot. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. The first thing you have to do is you have to go on to the Google Images, then type in gift cards. After doing so, you will then see this wide array of images that all pertain to the keywords that you typed in. The next thing I want you to do is right click here that says tools, and then it will toggle this interface where you can further narrow down your search to fit whatever you're looking for. Under usage rights, I want you to click the option for Creative Commons license. After doing so, now you have access to this search results page where all the images that you can see now be used independently. When you make use of these images for other purposes, you will not be charged with a copyright strike, which means that you have ownership of these elements. The reason why I'm asking you to find out non-copyright images is that you're going to use it later on the next website I'm going to show you. But before that, you should now choose an image that you like which perfectly describes the gift cards. Now that you have a perfect image for your material, The next thing to do is to head on to the Pinterest, where you will now upload your image and create a pin. Later, inviting people to click on your links so that the money making process can commence immediately. All you have to do on the Pinterest is to create a pin and then upload the image of your gift card. After that, simply add a title for your pin and you can be as creative as you like. Just be sure to type in something like free Netflix gift cards or literally anything that you wish to put. Tell everyone what your pin is all about. So this is where you are going to put your call to action. You can put something like click the link below and get a chance to win legit Netflix gift cards for free. Then finally add your unique affiliate link on the field that says add a destination link. Be sure to have an alluring title and creative description because they are the main factors that will prompt users to click on your link. Once they do click on your link, it only means one thing: money coming straight to your pocket, and that's it. Okay guys, this is Digital Nomad said, and I'll be stopping this video here. This is a tip which I wanted to share with you. I know this doesn't get you a lot of money, but being consistent, this is in a longer term, this is gonna work really good. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like this video so that it can reach a lot more awesome people just like you who is searching for making money online. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.